fighting with Al Capone. Come on, Al Capone, pull! 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 Pull, Al Capone! Aiden, where are you going?
Look!
Whoa, what is that?
Rocks.
A little one, a big one. Oh, I think that's an asteroid.
What's that?
It's not an asteroid? Are you sure? Look. I don't know. Kind of looks like an asteroid. Oh, that's a diamond. Is that a diamond?
No, it's not.
What is it?
Diamonds are blue.
Look, Fabi's still playing tug of war with Al Capone over there. Oh! Al Capone's winning. Let's go look at the horse inside.
Yeah!
Leave the rocks, leave the rocks. Leave the asteroids. No, don't throw it that way. You're gonna... Alright, let's go. Let's go see inside.
Daddy, you just stepped on... poop.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I thought it was coffee beans.
It was poop.
Who's here?
Nobody.
Wait.
Nobody's here.
Hello?
Pick me up. Pick me up.
Stand on that.
Yay!
It's a horse.
It's a horsey. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Whoa, he's got a big nose. Touch him. Go like this.
I'm afraid to touch him in the
Go like this.
mouth.
Hey.
Hi. Come on.
What's his name?
I forgot.
Oh, this is Napoleon.
Yeah.
Hey, Napoleon.
He's a mean horsey. Unless you give
Well,
him a treat,
he's grumpy sometimes. Let's give him a carrot.
Carrot. Yeah.
What? Oh, you dropped it, Napoleon.
You're supposed to hold it open like this.
Let me
Aiden,
give it to him.
my hands.
Don't be scared.
Here.
He doesn't have
Napoleon.
teeth. Don't be scared. He doesn't have teeth.
Front teeth.
Yeah, front teeth.
Yummy, yummy. Give me more. Give me more carrot.
Okay.
Give me a small one.
What's up, buddy?
Carrot.
Yeah, that's the camera.
I can only find this one that's small.
Yeah, give it to him.
Here, Napoleon. Napoleon.
Oh,
Yum, yum, yum.
you ate the whole thing?
Yep. His name is Napoleon.
You ate the whole thing?
Hi.
Hey, everyone.
Yeah, today we're at the farm and we're going to
What farm?
my friend's farm.
Yeah, we're at the farm today.
And there's horses over there.
What else I got?
They have goats, but we don't know where they are.
We're gonna find the goats. They're out here somewhere. Playing a
Yeah.
little tug of war with them.
Yeah.
Let's see. What else I got? We got tractors.
Oh yeah.
We have all kinds of stuff out here.
And there's like a tractor conveyor thing that's fixed.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Is it digger?
No.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out.
It's a tractor digger.
A tractor digger. All right, but remember, you guys hit the subscribe button real quick.
Yeah, and thumbs up.
Yeah, and hit the thumbs up. We're gonna go explore. Leave some comments down below, and let's get to it. Let's go see what's here.
Daddy.
Let's see it. Ooh, nice. Hey, let's go explore the spooky house.
I'm gonna kick it over there.
No.
Oh.
Let's not kick it. Let's leave the ball where it was. Okay, let's go. Look, the spooky walkway. Let's do it.
It's gonna take too long. Daddy, come with me.
Bye.
With me.
Let's go. What's that noise?
It's a cow. Daddy, hold my
Maybe it's
hand.
Bigfoot.
No, it's just cow. Cow's over
It's all
there.
Bigfoot.
No, this is not where Bigfoot lives. He lives far away from here. It's only the cows. They're going.
You think he'll talk back?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Oh, there was. You're talking cow?
Moo.
Mmm.
Moo.
It's a baby cow. Look at the baby.
Oh,
Look at the baby.
they're so cute.
Mmm.
Moo.
What? You speak cow? I didn't.
Moo.
I didn't know you spoke cow. You need to teach me. Okay, how do you say hi?
Moo.
That is crazy. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, let's say bye to them.
No.
Mmm.
Moo.
All right, let's go. What? Where?
Eagle.
Whoa, it's in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe that's, you think that's an angry bird?
No. Maybe it's Mighty Eagle.
It's the mighty eagle.
I'm gonna take the shortcut. I'm taking the shortcut.
Okay.
Hey guys,
Look, I see like a little mini horse.
there's more horses.
Don't scare him.
Hi, horsey.
Whoa, look at this guy.
Hi.
He's so little.
Hi, horsey.
He's like a mini
Let's
horse.
go bring him some carrots. They're eating. They're eating from the ground.
Yeah, they're eating the hay or the straw.
Or grass. Maybe they eat grass. Make sure you don't drop it in there.
Look, it's a spooky house.
What?
Should we go explore? Hey, is it 3 a.m.?
Oh, it's morning.
Oh, right. Oh, look behind you. Look behind you.
Yeah.
What's up?
It's like an Enderman from.
What? I don't have any treats. I think he thinks I have apples or like. Oh yeah, he's like, where are my apples?
Where's more carrots?
Yeah, sorry,
I
man.
can see the battery. It's at medium.
Oh, okay. Well, we still have battery.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
That could be round.
Who's coming?
Titan.
Wait. There's a car. There's a car.
Oh, that's actually Titan's car. Yeah.
Wow. Look, it's Titan and Preciosa.
Yeah.
Hi, Titan.
Titan.
Aiden, espera. Hi, Titan. Hi, Preciosa.
Aww.
Hi, Titan. What's up, buddy?
Hi, Titan. Hi, Titan.
There's Carlos. What's up, buddy?
Hey, he got skinnier. He's skinny. Titan's skinny now. Why is Titan so skinny?
Hi, Titan. What's in there?
Daddy, give me the camera.
What's in there?
Guys,
That's it.
guys, look. I got trapped. Guys, look at this. There's a chair. Guys, look at this. Guys, look out. I found a tractor. They're going back without us. Guys, they go back.
Wait. Don't run. You're gonna trip on things.
They're going back without us.
Aiden, wait.
Daddy, come.
Wait.
They're going back in front without us. Daddy,
What happened?
let's go over here, the shortcut.
I don't know if it's a shortcut. Be careful. What is that?
I don't know.
No, don't.
Ooh. Oh, that will slip. They're going back. No!
What? Go, do your dance. Go.
I like that move it. I
Uns.
like that move it. I like that move it.
I like the.
Move it.
Go. Let's get out of here. Oh, watch out, watch out. There's glass there. Whoa, balance, balance. No, don't throw it. Whoa. Ah. That's not nice. Come on, let's go.
Daddy.
We have to go back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful, man. Whoa, look at the plane.
What?
Up there, look. It's a plane.